Waterfall.
A waterfall is a natural feature where water flows over a vertical drop or cliff, usually in a river or stream. Waterfalls are formed through various geological processes, such as erosion, where the flowing water gradually wears away the rock surface, creating a drop. There are different types of waterfalls. 1. Cascade. Water flows in a series of small steps or drops, often over a rocky surface. 2. Plunge. Water falls vertically from a height and lands in a pool or basin below. 3. Segmented. Water falls in distinct sections or streams, often due to variations in rock formations. 4. Fan. The water spreads out as it falls, resembling a fan shape. 5. Block. Water flows over a wide, horizontal surface in one continuous sheet. Waterfalls can vary in size, from small, delicate streams to massive, powerful cascades like Niagara Falls. They are often significant natural landmarks and popular tourist destinations.
Like, share, subscribe.